Good day, everyone. So today I'm going to report about Davao Region or Region 11. So mao ni ang kanang map sa Davao Region na kanang bitaw map na kanang Philippines o kanang sa Davao part. So ang kaning Davao Region kay located siya sa southeastern portion of the island of Mindanao, surrounding the Davao Gulf. So mao ni siya. So ang Davao Gulf mao na rin siya na major fishing ground siya sa Davao Region. So kanang it is bounded on the north by the provinces of Surigao del Sur, Agusan del Sur, and Bukidnon. So sa Tuanco, it is bounded by the Philippine Sea and in the west by the Central Mindanao provinces. So diri ang kanang Philippine Sea, kani mao ang kanang Central Mindanao. So Davao Region has a type 4 climate. It has no definite dry and wet season, and rainfall is evenly distributed through the year. So the highest average temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. This is usually experienced in April, January mo ni ang kanang lowest average temperature. So ang Davao Region kay naay 5 provinces mo ni ang Davao Oriental, Davao del Oro, Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur, and Davao Occidental. Na sila ay highly urbanized city mo ni ang Davao City. So mo ni ang mga natural wonders sa kanang Davao Region. Na sila ay kanang mga kapo, kanang paano siya sa Davao del Sur o Davao City.
Kita ko.
So ang Mount Apo mo ni siya kanang highest peak in the Philippines, offering challenging and high and panoramic view. So kailan naman po mo kanang isa na Mount Apo kay sikat ang turismo. So Aliwagwag Falls, ang majestic multi-third waterfall in Catil. So located din siya sa Davao Oriental. Samang Island, located sa Davao del Norte. Tawag po rin siya White Sand Beaches and Marine Biodiversity. Managusan, Davao del Oro, tawag siya sa capital of Mindanao kay kana bugnaw ito. Ako, kana ganahan ng mga tao na kanang magpabugnaw sa mga kainin. Sulong na sila sa Managusan, sa mga tourists. So, Puhada Bay, Davao Oriental, Amalis Sanctuary, perfect for snorkeling and diving. Sumani Mount Apo, Liwawag Falls sa mga island o Managusan, So, major fishing grounds, katong gingon na pag kanina, Davao Gulf, is one of the most biodiverse marine ecosystem in the Philippines. So, kani pong Davao Gulf kay nursery ground po na siya sa mga tuna. So, eastern side of Davao Gulf, studies on small-scale fisheries focus on the eastern side of the Gulf, including the fishing grounds near Mati, Magunis, and Isidro and the Gulf. Davao River, the largest river in the region, following through Davao City and Tilapia o Catfish Pinari. So, Lake Leonard, Stella Valley, a popular fishing spot for tilapia farming. Lake Carolina, Davao Oriental as a freshwater lake with thriving fish population. Ano sila Davao Gulf, eastern side of Davao Gulf, of Davao River. Sa mga target species at fisheries production sa Davao Region kay Philippine tuna, ramscad, Arcadic tuna, lobster fry, porcine, sito converse. Ang mga aquaculture, mga pangbuhig sa Davao Region ay na sila dahil tilapia, mudfish, catfish, milkfish, shrimp, o mud crabs. Ang mga fishing method gamit sa Davao Region, kakuan sila gillnets, payaw, o kuan nila isang sa fixes nila. Long line fishing, hand lines for fishing of drones. So, aquaculture system na sila yung mga marine cages. So, na ni kay kumuditay na ilang iba dito buhay kayo. So, nako sila brackish water fish pan, na sila yung mga shrimp o mga crabs, mga mostly ko. Sa freshwater fish pan, the local fish pan, it has their focuses on cultivating catfish. So, ang mga freshwater, mag-focus sila buhay o catfish. So, ang mga traditional fishing method used, nagpaan sila spearing using traps and net or fishing with their hands. So, mga ang mga economic importance, landing site or fish port sa Davao na sila Davao Fish Port Complex, Pati City Fish Port sa International Seaport. Dapat sila major processing plants or market in Davao region, so local wet market. So mainly small-scale operators supply fresh harvest for local stores. Transport is cheap, but price fluctuation can be substantial. Na sila ibang Iruhan Public Market, Agda Public Market, Marina Tuna Seafood Market. So ang gano'n ang nakuhan sila tuna ang Davao. Direct supply to restaurant and hotel. So, magkuhan po sila mga restaurant o hotel. Supply po sila. Mga high quality shrimp, ano nila, fish, tilapia. So, mo-export po sila mga shrimp, high value fish. At kuhan nila kay mga US, Japanese.
Una diha. Wa ko na load.
So, local and export product from the Davao region. The Davao region exports several fishery products, primarily from aquaculture and fishing operations, including various processed tuna products, milkfish, tilapia, shrimp, with major international markets reaching some. So, nang-export siya sa USA at Japan. Nakuhaan po sila mga tuna. Kanang canned tuna, frozen tuna, fresh and chilled tuna products. I-export din siya sa USA at Japan. Tilapia, ma-export din sila o mga seaweed. So, contribution to national fisheries output. Tuna fishing is prevalent in the coastal areas of the Davao, making tuna a significant contributor to the region fisheries activity of Highlands Valley. So, ang kuhan kayo dito sa Davao region ay tuna. Sila sa high value tuna. Sa kuhan po ang makatabang po sa mga tao dito with livelihood and employment, food security, trade and export earnings. Sa sila yung mga marine protected areas ito, ang Pumada Bay Protected Landscape and Seascape. Kuhan po siya na pimudog mga tourist na. So, mabili protected landscape and seascape na po ay kabisanan, marine protected area, pangubaan, reef, and fish sanctuary. Sa mga common environmental issues, river and coastal pollution, mga plastic pollution, climate change, habitat destruction, coral bleaching. Na po ay government programs, DFAR, na sila aquaculture development, financial literacy, regulatory activities, fisheries management, and conservation. Na po ay NGO, community-based fishery management, livelihood, diversification and capacity building, marine sanctuary development, sustainable fisheries management plans, winter-sensitive species. So, na sila yung mga traits po sa overfishing, pollution from plastic and abandoned fishing gear, illegal fishing practices, habitat degradation of coral reefs and mangroves, the impacts of climate change, such as changing weather patterns and plastic fishing. So, mga niya mga status information gikan sa state. So, annual total of fisheries production of Davao region from 2020 to 2024. ano sila. So, mas tako kayo ang 2022. Just sa commercial fisheries production, mas tako ang pag 2024. Municipal fisheries production, mas tako ang kanang pag 2023. Saka inland fisheries production kay 2022. Kanya ka na aquaculture kay pag 2022.